excited today that I got a Be Still box in the mail. My name is Robin and this is my closet. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. Thumbs up if you like it. If you're returning or just subscribed, thank you as always for the loyalty to my channel. I have some great subscribers to my channel. So, want to see what's in this great box? This is from Jessica. She has a YouTube channel, No Drama Makeup Mama. It's a wonderful channel. She does makeup demonstrations, some get readies with me, some unboxings, and she's very creative. I will leave her link to her channel and a link to how you can get these. Right now you can only order them off of her Instagram, but she asks you a ton of questions to try to get to know you and the person that you are. So this is the box that came, and it has my name on it, spelled correctly, which is always a plus. And this great little file box. It actually came in an outer carton, and I took that out. So she, again, tries to get to know you, what kind of jewelry you like, what kind of sayings you like, just a little bit more about you so that she can design something especially for you. I saw her on like Julie's unboxing channel did one, and there was like 3 or 4 I watched, and finally I said I need me one of those boxes. Gets them out right away. So let's see what's in here. I'm like so excited. There is a card. To believe in love is to believe in magic. And I just need to get myself a frame for this card so that I can put it up here. And she wraps everything so cute. There's little watermelon stickers, and this one says cloud watching and stargazing. As I said, everybody that's opened this box, it's like, just send that one to me. I want that one. So let's see what's in there. Oh, my masks. Anybody that knows me knows I love these masks. And actually I just got a bunch of these in one of my boxes and already have gone like through a bunch of them. So I can never have too many of these. And excuse me. When I have visitors, when I have friends, I pull out some masks and we have wine and we put the masks on. So, loving this. The next thing is the cutest little jewelry box. She does ask you what your ring size is. So if she sends you a ring, she knows it, but she knows what size it is. But there is no ring in this box, just this beautiful necklace. Look at that. And it's silver. I love to wear silver. Occasionally I wear some gold, but silver is my jam. I don't know if I'll be able to get this on. Of course not. I'm so clumsy. But I just have to show you how beautiful it is. You will probably see this in another one of my videos. So don't you worry. I will get my use out of it. The next thing, oh, the little cute stickers. It says be passionate. So this is definitely an uplifting box. Jessica, you just made my day. And this looks like bracelets, but look at the bag. And of course I don't have my scissors, so I apologize. So you're going to hear some noise. Oh my God, are these beautiful? Can you see the colors? It's like an amber And this has like a little gold thing. Okay. Just the items I opened, I'm so happy. Oh, this box was $45 and included shipping. So I don't know if any of you have shipped for a while. Shipping is just getting out of control. So anything that includes free shipping is definitely worth it. And I bought myself some IBC cream soda, so excuse me. All this gabbing makes me thirsty. The next thing, oh, this is so cute. The sun just kind of goes in and out here, so being up in the mountains, you just never know. And this is Youthful Glow Primer Serum. Oh, how interesting does that look? Weightless texture, luminous finish, refreshing and hydrating for all skin types. I got the, what was that one? The pore thing from BoxyCharm, Pores No More, whatever primer, and I'm almost out of it. So this came at a good time. Oh my God, what a beautiful bottle. Kind of looks like a combination nail polish, and then it's got the little pumper up here. So this is definitely going to go next in line. It's got the directions: remove cap, push and hold down button, insert dropper into product, release button, press down button to dispense. So it's got great directions for me. Then there's another little thing, another cute sticker. And like my birthday. And this is by Shiseido, which is a great brand. Imperial Lash Mascara Ink. So let's see what it looks like. I'm not a big mascara person. Occasionally I'll put it on. My eyes are so sensitive. And I have to go to the eye doctor. I had that eye surgery done because I wore the bottle cap glasses. And I probably had it done, oh gosh, 15, 20 years ago. And it's working great, but like all the sand and stuff gets in my eyes and it makes it real sensitive. So mascara just doesn't always work for me. So I am going to try and play with false eyelashes and see if I can get those down. But if you could just feel how soft this case is. I don't want to open it because I hear when you open mascara it has a tendency to dry it out if you don't use it right away. But this is a great brand. The next thing in the box, the cute little stickers. I want to go play at her house. She probably has stickers and crayons and everything. Ooh, ooh. It is Pixie Chloe Marella palette. It looks like it's got all the different eye shades up on the top and then the blushes on the bottom. This is really neat. I don't know if I should take it out because I don't want to drop it or break it. And it's packaged so nice. But this is great. I'm definitely going to try this. And there's a couple more things. Okay, is this box not totally worth the price? Oh, is that a little cactus? Now we know I'm a cactus person. So let's see what's in here. Ooh, 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 ooh. Live to Ride and Cactus. Oh my God, this is perfect. She knows that we ride motorcycles. I personally do not ride. I sit on the back. We have like 3 of them. And so she made this with cactus. Now I just have to go and find a frame. This is beautiful. So again, she will design for you. So that is just gorgeous. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then the last thing. And I think it kind of feels like a sunglass case, but I don't know. Just got to figure out which way. It looks like it has a P on it. A nice hard-covered sunglass case. Oh. Okay, I would never pick these out for me, but they are so cute. What do you think? Are they me? Oh my God, they're so cute. I can never get enough sunglasses because not only do we ride the motorcycles in Washington and back in Arizona, we have the side-by-sides. And the other day we took the side-by-side you know, the four-wheel things, if you don't know what they are, into town. And I forgot my sunglasses. And that's where I think I got all the sand and dirt in my eye and why my eyes are so irritated. So I can never get too many sunglasses. What do you think? Jessica, I love you. This was a great box. Again, I'm going to leave her link for the Be Still boxes. I think it is, I wrote it down. And you can order them from her Instagram. You can stop by her channel, No Drama Makeup Mama. Let her know that Crazy Robin sent you. Oh my God, I'm just going to keep them on. And you guys have a great weekend. Let me know what you thought of this box because there is no negativity at all about this box. And I just love this. Well, actually, I just love it all. So you guys have a great week. As always, thank you for watching and have an awesome day.